All praise to Allah Ta'ala who may shower His blessings on the last holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I have to tell you a story. So first I tell you in Urdu its summary, very brief summary. तबाउलहुमैरी यमन का बादशाह था, तो वो खाना काबा पर आपकी पैदाइश से 1000 साल कबल हमला के इरादे से आया। तो जो ही वो वहाँ आया तो उसके कान, मुंह और नाक से खून बहने लगा। तो उसका एक दाना बंदा था हकीम इस्माइल। तो उसने उससे पूछा कि ये क्या मामला है। उसने कहा कि आप गलत इरादे से आए हैं, आप ये काम छोड़ दें, नीयत दुरुस्त कर लें, आप सही हो जाएंगे। उन्होंने हमले का इरादा तर्क कर दिया तो वो दुरुस्त हो गए। तो ये कहानी अब मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ता हूँ। अल्लाह अलमाइटी गिव्स हेल्थ टू तबाउलहुमैरी व्हेन ही एंड्स हिज इंटेंशन टू इन्वेड मक्का। इट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ 1000 years before the age of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that a king of Yemen ordered to attack Makkah and demolish Kaaba. He got angry with the people of Makkah because according to Tabaulhumari, they did not receive him very well and they did not pay attention towards his arrival along with his army. As soon as he ordered his attack, he suffered from a very dangerous disease. Blood began to flow from his mouth, nose and ears. The doctors declared his case hopeless. There was the best thinker Hakim. Mary told him that he wanted to attack Makkah and demolish Kaaba. The Hakim advised the king not to attack that holy place, as Allah Almighty defends this place. The king at once left his bad intention. He got better and perfectly well. He goes to Makkah with a good intention. He arranges a great feast. He invites all the Makkans to it. They came and enjoyed the feast. He got prepared a very good covering for Kaaba. He spread his covering over the holy Kaaba. It was the first covering. The name of Hakim was Shumail, who is great ancestor of Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.